Hi everyone, Sid here, back again with another tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to discuss about how to send email using Gmail account. So we're going to create Laravel project and we will send email using Gmail. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment sections. Definitely I will try to solve a query. And I have written blog. Also you can check my blog siddharthshukla.in slash how to send mail in Laravel. Even you can check out in description area. If you like my video, please click on like button, and if you want more programming video, please subscribe my channel so you can get to create Laravel project. So I am using my terminal and I am going to my htdocs folder. So I am typing here cd cd and cd application map htdocs. So I will create Laravel project here and project name. So I'm giving Laravel email. So it will take little bit time, so we need to wait. Now all configurations are done from downloading application ready, build something amazing. Now I'm going to VS Code, click here file and open and our project in htdocs folder. So I'm clicking on it. So first step, what you need to do, you need to open .env file, click on terminal, and you need to configure your database. My database name is root @123 Laravel underscore project. 1 second, you can check my workbench. Laravel project, yes, correct, this one is my Laravel project. So now it's fine. Now we need to configure our SMTP server also. You can check here. So or even you can check out from my blog what dot here. You can check here SMT port. So I'm using Gmail. Okay. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your problem. And my email ID is Siddharth Shukla, and password I'm not putting here. After some time I will put but I will try to remove this section. So you can put here your password, that's it. Okay. And now this step is done, configuration is done. Now what we need to do, second step is create route. Okay, I'm going to routes web.php folder, and here if we try to here send dash mail, now we'll call mail send is a controller, this is a function. So we need to create controller php artisan make controller, then controller name. Now controller successfully created successfully. Now you can check your controller is mail sent, yes, this is done. Now we need to create mail. Okay, so for the creating mail, sending for the mail, we need to create, you can check here create mail. Okay, php artisans create make, php artisans, php artisan, you can check here make mail and mail name. Okay, I'm putting here send mail. Whatever mail you want you can put here. This is a command. Now you can check, here app mail send mail. Yes, now everything is fine from here. Now one second, you can check here, we need to put one public variable. I'm putting one variable so we can pass all data to view also. Okay, and here what we need to do, here we need to call our subject. Okay, within a bracket we need to put whatever subject we want, we can pass him subject. I'm putting here subject real programmer email testing. Okay, I think so. Any mistake we have done here? Sorry, this one. Subject real programmer email testing. Okay, and within a view we will create emails folder, and file name is, I have put it here so you can copy from here also. I have put it, so I don't want to waste time. So emails you can put. Now what I have done here, build function will call. Okay, so our subject is subject real program email testing, and view we are loading emails folder. Within a emails folders send mail dot blade dot php. So I'm going here to create resource views. Now we need to create one folder emails. I have created. Now we need to create file send email dot blade dot php. Okay, now this is done, controller also done. Now we need to add, one second, now we need to add within a controller mail functions we have created here. Okay, now I'm going to http controller mail send. Okay, so here we need to do add, one second, you can check from here, these things we have done already. So I'm putting here app mail send mail. I don't want to waste our time, so I'm copying from my blog. You can check all code from blog also. Okay, now I have written one function, so sending mail, public function mail send, and title is here, and whatever we want send in body we are passing from variable. And here we have implemented this one send file, so we are using mail functions, scope resolution operator, and two, we sending mail in this email id. Okay, and now we are sending mail. Okay, from all details you can check, this detail will we are passing in our mail. Okay, so now these functions will call, means this class will call after some time automatically, build functions will call, and subject, our subject is this one, so real programmer email testing, and we sending to send mail. Okay, this is our blade.php file. Okay, now this process are done. Now we need to put here our mail. So send dot blade dot php real programmer, this is a detail we are using, we are passing from here title and body, you can check here. Okay, this is done. Now we need to show thank you if anyone create submitting forms, so we need to So thank you page. So we are calling anything from here, you can check here emails thanks. Okay, so I'm putting name thanks dot blade dot php. Okay, I'm, I'm explaining here. Okay, if anyone call this page will call automatically. I'm here putting here bootstrap library. Okay, and here we are using alert functions for the success if anyone submitting form. Okay, now this is done from my side. Now we need to configure mail, because if anyone submitting mail, so mail name automatically will send example. So we need to configure here. You can check within a configuration folder. I am going to use mail.page php, and here you can check from. Okay, I'm not doing anything here. I'm changing here real programmer. Okay, okay, now this is done, and we need to run php artisan serve here within a terminal. Php artisan serve. Now port is running. Let me check. Yes, port is running fine. Now I'm going to here use send mail. Now we need to check here. Failed authentications maybe. Now yes, our configuration settings I'm going to check. Yes, you can check here. Thanks, we will contact you soon. I'm going to check my email ID. Yes, you can check here. Real programmer email testing is done. You can check here real programmer php. I think so I have written any wrong things here. Mail. Yes, 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 real programmer. Okay, so now hope so you understand. Okay, again I'm going to hit. Yes, this is done. Now I'm clicking on it again. Something is, so our title and body is not coming. Let me check again. We're going to send mail. Yes, yes, we are missing something here. Details dollar this details is equal to dollar details. Let me check again. Yes, now you can check here. This is title, this is body. We need to pass variable from the constructor. We are passing constructor directly, automatically this object will call. So now this is done. Hope so you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve a query. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon so you can get notification first. Thank you for watching my video.